Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update product feeds using GoDataFeed step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the GoDataFeed website. Log in to your GoDataFeed account with your credentials. On the dashboard, locate the account you want to update. Click on the Feeds tab to access your product feeds. Identify the feed you wish to update. Select the feed by clicking on its name. Once in the feed details, look for the Edit option and click on it. Make the necessary changes to your product information. You can update attributes such as price, inventory, and descriptions. If you need to add new products, locate the Add Product button. Fill out the required fields for the new products. Ensure all mandatory attributes are completed to avoid errors. After making your updates, proceed to the Save button. Click Save to apply your changes to the product feed. Next, navigate to the Schedule tab for updating frequency. Choose how often you want the feed to be updated. Set the desired schedule based on your inventory changes. Once scheduled, click Save to confirm the settings. Return to the dashboard to check for any errors in the feed. In case of any issues, click on the Errors tab for troubleshooting guidance. Confirm that all updates are done correctly and within the feed requirements. Test the feed by clicking on the Test Feed option to ensure it functions well. If all tests are successful, proceed to the Publish option. Click Publish to make your updated product feed live. Monitor your feed regularly for any future updates or issues. Log out of your GoDataFeed account when finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.